mu ewo the Accra High Court. Na High Court honom na Frederick Kumi aka Abu Trica. Ne nsɛm no ɛda so ɛkɔ so yɛn nyinaa yɛnim sɛ Abu Trica wɔ file application sɛ nka ɔbɛhote the process of his extradition from Ghana to the United States of America. Nano ade beto dwa se court abo ne application no egu ama yebogu ya na yeche no no ene ne lawyers assign ekopie mu court a wo mo file for appeal. Na eno no mo chesa appeal no mo file no. They can't file an appeal while wo mo client no is still in custody into one person wo mo hu wo mo client no. Na enam so the legal counsel a wo mo ejine mu de ama Frederick Kumi Abu Trica no womo de ababa to dwa se besinne ya womo kasai womo nim ba bia womo client Abu Trica yede no akwa although say womo file for appeal no na they want to know the exact place yede womo client na kwahye na fe womo entoa womo appeal case ne eso yenkotie lawyer no said they wode na no desem etudwa.
No court last time. Court my order about Frederick Kumi, Trica me extradition 17. Na court my order. Yemre muno who rights obey appeal. And in the same way, ni appeal no be ko ni appeal no ya file dada. The court na say yent mean abra or appeal decision. No neighbor court. In the court they are shared 9th July. Say 9th ye bar ye Attorney General for so the baba argue said the EPC general so my court na trying we an appeal answer.
Okay, no say okay, see am let me I confirm say Abu Trica
you bet me confirm say Abu Trica say no. Yan a lawyer for no besi na yeni be owo ya tro krata come Attorney General so mo ma ye ho kwan ni hu no o ma ne ho kwan eno so dey to judge nanim nti judge ni so o man akosi china so mo ma ye kwan ma ye hu Abu Trica na ono abetu ho na mo.
Abusia, that is a lawyer near Wojinemu Ediama Abu Trica and our dear to just say as it stands now ne or more file appeal, but they can't file an appeal a bra client no more custody. I won't me cry in Nimbebia or anas when you crane chan so and one more your mamma near abo lawyers no amana could draw Attorney General in him Attorney Judge for Namana could draw Attorney General in him Attorney General Chimwa Adichieno or more ebeshe aye bribi de afa ensem no ehu na ebeto dwa se Abu Trica ni appeal no yabo egu enti no yebogu dia na chese he's likely to be extradited to the United States no amafo ebrechema Abu Trica nkasa wasai papa eba ne sen e na wo case e wo court na otimi court na TV so se wo grant interview e dia afa asem ne bi krechema ne lawyers for no e no manyo adwuma yie as a legal advisors to their clients because eba ne sen na case I work out we san court na a nation television to so near TV so ko grant interview ko chire nsemu ni ade bi chemo enu abufo kra na me say ajaji foi e di emia na omo dismiss ne application na no na ne lawyer aba be chire mu say wono akasa kra de e ne wanwa na asem no so de wo ne say lawyer ni bi eniwa sebe obema ne client akotena TV so akoye interview about an ongoing case na say kokosi say lawyer no na onim hwe e de fa sa interviewer Abu Trica eko ye no ehu yentie enu nso say the lawyer no e kire nsem ni mu efai
on say lawyer ni bi eni ho a obepene say ne client wakoye interview abawie the main issue no ene ye hwe say oye yo say oye wanye na yo atwem otumase what must say the here na say court room na eri adwuma agama court no nti media so but say na Ghana for dodo no hwe ya omo kan ho asem no omo mbetwa no omo kan anim e kan anim omo bo na boso so bo na baso nso lawyer ni bi ani ho be catch the client say onko TV so enko kan case o TV so what I say me da say
enti na chese lawyer chire mu a ne papa mu ne de anka enwo se na Abu Trica ekoye sa interview no yehu se Ghana fo binom bo na chipa bi so chese se watimi abema no kre no atom monten so ama yehu those behind it ene niema ekoso a enam so ayede eche no na nipa woni Trica sa interview no enye obi a se Captain Smart wono nso kopie mu ewo court ho bia na chese otimu se Captain is really rallying behind Frederick Kumi Trica in this particular case ekoso no emu na wokopie ho no na manfo chire mu ana chese Captain na monsa so na asa Trica na se mi yemie mu wo court yo na interview no a one ne ye no ebinum nsusu se no ena ama Trica se na sem ni mu ayedin ede ama no na yebetie Captain nso emuaya wode ama Ghana fo a wo mo ebo na chi se wanya de se wo interview Trica at this crucial point in time when the case no eda so ewo court yentie Captain Smart Emra
Trica ni case nka ne lawyer ka say ono o man ni client enko ready
enye issue
for granting interview and case no court and I will comment section so Ghana for will say o no oba enti na ma SPD application and then I offer
menya court 1 number 2 menya lawyer number 3 menya medjuma to say journalist. Next question.
Okay but on one will like on one about for interview and answer on our friend
menya medjuma as a broadcaster. Next question.
Oh Captain you see with one of
menya medjuma as a broadcaster.
But Captain Osha interview no by
affecting say
in a way say and account will ma
honestly me can one sama no pay. I think you can look for the video.
But also my little bit about what you said.
Then it's affecting no. I'm not sure it's affecting it.
But Ghana from the brain say
any o madwin one say opinions are like noses. That's what Madam Hene. So what you're thinking at any given time is not what I'm thinking. We may agree, but we may not have the same opinion at any given time. Next question. Why na kase Ghana for come me Ghana name akabi.
Comment section massam.
No be tro na asema.
Video ni oh Captain Smart
obi tin fie atro ni post na me comment. Obi tin fie akohwe obi ade na wa atro post na me be comment. Abba. I'm too big for that.
And you will now commenting you.
There be nipa na wa be comment no. I don't know you be commenter no. Post ni me ni ho. Me ni nipa post here. Me hu de nipa no tro here. And me hu nipa no de o tro here. You are conjecturing. Inti e ma me hu say asem we pepe na nipa ne kan here. Inti say na sese me yi ano.
Captain Smart nsema working nyina ene se onyin ni se interviewer woni Trica ewonua TV Trica kochechire mu ema ye behu sebe FBI for wo mo other officers wo Ghana ha wo mo ne nkofo ye adwuma kululu ni ade nyisem de beto dwa no na Captain chemu se onye sure kra se sa interview ni betimi enya nsunsanso wo Trica ni case no eso ene wo che se ono onye mrani mu ni onye lawyer ni na wetimi aba setani rather it is true said we interview no etimi aha no but he doesn't think that the interview had any legal consequences on this particular case. Now, so no, according to some Ghanaians, the netizens, the omuhunu say, truly this has got something to do with the interview because it was a very big mistake on the side of Trica to grant that interview. And Captain, they would on the say he did his job as an interviewer, and I say an interviewee, and an interviewer. Kumi ene interviewee no and a Captain interviewer, and at the end of the day no he did his job as a journalist since century ni wayene juma enti he doesn't see the reason why he should be attacked or blamed for how things are unfolding with the current case of Abu Trica. So we are hoping say the lawyers for me Edward say yo and rather you who say lawyer Oliver Bakker from ono so legal counsel dema Abu Trica because say whatever be the case say was asem no ekopie mu e Supreme Court beko. They said they are doing all they can in their part to make sure say Abu doesn't end up in the United States. This case it's been a very long case, but the lawyers are still hopeful say Abu will still be in Ghana and not be extradited to the United States of America. Now I just said then semne kona ase binumu GDA is as a bichema that the Joe Muni adea sebe womunsu womunhu ebon cases to say fraud near a year wire fraud near their day romance scam me yet your more passion near the omoko, but it looks like Abu Trica is there no the back and forth with it too much. They are hopeful say probably lawyers for no eshe womusapo munsu din kakrebia Abu Trica betimi enyaniti ejidimu. For the time being there, we are hoping say you be releasing no na lawyers for no appeal a womo ede akono a judge mpenim for betna so na fe yehu the final verdict beba. Will Abu Trica be extradited to the United States and I say obenyaniti ejidimu ni nyina emre ebeche yebekoso na ya monitor Abu Trica ni case way updates be ebepie ebebebia no so yebema hwefo aso ate Pinax TV so eni yenda mwase na yemfa munsi ha.